Today I'm taking the WORKPRO 16-foot tape measure. So as you can see, this is a bright pink. I personally like pink because that means I'm never going to have to worry about somebody stealing it. The type of people that steal your tools are definitely the type of people that would never be caught dead with a pink tape measure. So if you work with people with sticky fingers, this is going to be the style that you want. It does have a clip on the back, and this is a push style lock. Now the one thing that makes this one stand out to me is that this has both inches and metric. Most tape measures don't have that, but I always prefer the style that does. We can also see that up to 6 inches, it breaks it all the way down to the 30 seconds. So that is very nice if you need to make very short measurements. This is a 16 foot, so it's going to be a smaller size. I also like that just because something like this is going to be easier to carry around. Unless you actually need a 25 foot, quite commonly I'm going to be going for these smaller tape measures anyway. They do mark out the feet, very easy to see, and the half feet as well in red. For centimeters, they mark out the red every 10 centimeters. You can see the tip is properly slotted, so that means that if you measure from the outside of a board, it's going to measure correctly, and then if you measure from the inside of the board, that will make up for the thickness of this metal. So let's check the breaking length. So that is the length that we can pull this out before it actually snaps. So we went past 5 feet already, so that's pretty impressive for a 16-footer. Okay, so right about 6 feet is when we can expect that to break. And just to do a quick check, that does appear to be accurate against my main tape measure. But again, as you can see, only inches. I use metric a lot, so having one that has both is kind of a big deal for me. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice tape measure.